So let's say you want your users to fill out a certain range. And to give an interactive way to give that range, you can go ahead and utilize something called the knob widget. So to do that, you can click on add element, and then you can go to widgets right here. And then you can go ahead and type in knob right here. So you can see that there's knob and there's knob canvas. Let's just go ahead and bring in both right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and say select your satisfaction level right here, just like this. Let's just go ahead and keep both right here. And then if I were to go to the widget setting, you don't really have any option right here, although you do have regular option right here, like alignment and so forth right here. But anyways, let me just go around onto widget setting, and here for this knob canvas, you can see that you can set up foreground color. So for that, you need to go ahead and add in hex code. Let's say, for example, if I were to go ahead and type that in, you can see this. So I can go ahead right here and add in color right here. Like, for example, I can say CC, let's say, for example, and you got that color. You can see the minimum value right here. So this is going to be maximum right here. So you can go ahead and set it out, as you can see, or I'm going to say 400 right here. And then you can even add in the font color. So you can add in the hex code as you want. So if you don't know how you can actually go ahead and then add in hex code, you can use hex code generators online. For example, you got this htmlcolorcodes.com where you can go ahead and select your color. Then you can simply copy out this particular text and then paste this out right here. And then what happens is that the exact color is pasted out. So this is basically what you have, and you can set out the default value as well, update it out right here. So now let me just go ahead and preview out the form right here. And once you do that, you can see like you got two widgets right here. Like you got the select your satisfaction level right here that you can go ahead and click and drag. And apart from that, you can see that this is what you have. It says run your widget. So let's just go ahead and update it. Then you got the knob right here. So let's just go to the preview form, and you can see that this is simply a volume knob right here, which allows you to go ahead and select a particular range. No number shown right here. And these are the different knob widgets that you can go ahead and utilize inside of Jotform to go ahead and collect out a range, either visually or in exact numbers as well by clicking and dragging. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.